Hello, my name's Isaac. I'm a plant manager for Genesis Product, and today I'm going to give you a sneak peek of the dedicated home for solid surface, Plant 10. In our office area here in Plant 10, 90% of the fixturing that you see in here is stuff that we produce. From the ceiling tiles to the dividers at the desk. We also have all the cabinetry that's in the offices and also in the break room. So it's really neat to actually have products that we produce being in Plant 10. This is what I'm excited about, to show you the production floor. And to put in perspective, less than a year ago, we were in a dusty little corner of Plant 8, building our solid surface business and market share. But we've developed it to something that's just incredible. And it's because of the hard work of my team and also the support staff that we have here at Genesis Product. So we're gonna step out here and look at over 60,000 square feet of production floor, but I'll put my safety glasses on first. The first area I'll introduce you to is our shipping and receiving area. This is where they work hard to palletize to get it out to the customers with no quality issues. So our countertops actually start right here with a sheet of material that is formed to be 30 inches wide and 12 feet long. So you can imagine customers don't order countertops that are 30 inches wide by 12 feet long, but that's why we have a CNC machine. We have the top engineers that actually makes nests and programs to cut out a countertop to anyone's specific needs and shapes to fit into whatever they'd like, their home or RV. So a lot of our countertops are going to be wider than 30 inches. So what we do at this first process is we get connecting pieces just like this, we seam those together, we let it dry, and we sand it, and you can't even tell that it was seamed together. It's beautiful. So once we get that huge sheet and we cut it at CNC, we bring it over here on production carts. We do the build-up for it. Then after that, we actually glue wood on the back of it. It supports the countertops to make it strong. After the buildup is done and the wood backing is put on for support, we're going to get a hand router and we're going to route that to make it flush. And then there's steps of sanding and polishing that will give you this final result. So now that you see the journey of a solid surface sheet all the way to finished product, I want to show you our amazing break room that we provide for our teams. They're hard workers, they deserve the best, and the facilities up here are top notch. My team really appreciates being up here and the details that was put into the break room. As you can see, we have these huge windows throughout, and it just opens it up. It makes it like a happy place for them, a place that they can come and relax from working hard on the production floor. There you have it, Plant 10 of Genesis Product, the dedicated home for solid surface. You should come check it out for yourself.